As jazz spread across the country and even around the world, it continued to evolve. In the 1930s, a new kind of jazz emerged. The big bands or swing era became popular. Swing was energetic and fun to dance to. Jazz bands grew to include 4 trumpets, 4 trombones, 5 woodwinds, and a rhythm section. They toured all over the United States and filled their radio airwaves with the sound of swing. Yet another new style of jazz called bebop or bop appeared in the late 1940s. This is a very complex style of jazz with fast melodies and improvisation. Bebop showcased the technical skills of players and had a frantic feel to it. Some people didn't care for it, while some people thought it was genius.
Cool jazz also appeared later in the 1940s, but it was very different than bebop. Some think it was kind of a reaction against bebop. The word cool was meant the style understanded, moody, and subdued. In the 1950s, 60s, Latin influence became particularly strong.
Latin jazz has its own unique sound. It uses a wide variety of Latin percussion just as the congas to flavor the music.
It uses syncopation, but doesn't necessarily swing.
Legally, not all jazz music swings. If you've ever wondered what it means to swing or not to swing, let us show you.